for finding the determinant, the given matrix should be in the square matrix, then only we can find the determinant. Okay, if you want to find the determinant of this square matrix, if we use normal method, standard method, then we have to follow the like this. So this is, we have to assume this number and we have to eliminate these row and columns, and we have to write this one. Okay, before going to write this manner, we have to first understand the sign of these numbers. Okay, so this number having sign plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Similar, we have each number having individual sign. Okay, so for finding that number, we know the standard conditions for finding number is nothing but minus 1 power I plus j. Okay, so this is I is nothing but number of the row and j is nothing but column. Okay, if you are going to take this number, so the sign of this number can be find like this. So this is what, so this is first row, this is second row. So second row and fourth column is nothing but minus 1 power second plus 4. Second row plus fourth column is nothing but, so minus 1 power 6. So this is even number, so this sign is plus 1. Okay, so this sign is plus 1. Similar, this is minus, this is plus, so this is minus. So similar kind of this, if you want to find the sign of this one, you just take it and apply. This is nothing but minus 1 power, this is this is third row and first column, so nothing but 3 plus 1. So this is nothing but what, third row and first column. So you can apply it. What is that? Minus 1 power 4 is nothing but plus 1. Okay, so similar, we can get it the sign for each individual element sign. Okay, so this is the getting the sign. This is the format for getting the sign. So now take it this element and follow the standard method to find the determinant of this 4 cross 4 matrix. So if you take this one is plus 1 and take this minor matrix, so just eliminate this one and this one, take this one, this is nothing but 1 2 2 and 2 1 2 2 2 1. Okay, and take another one, second element is minus 2 and take one. For this matrix, this element, you have to eliminate this one, and this one, take this element, this is nothing but 2 2 2 and 2 1 2 2 2 1. Okay, and take it third term also plus 2. If you are taking this term and you avoid this one row and this one column, and the remaining is 2 1 2 and 2 2 2 2 2 1. Okay, 2 2 1. And the next one you take it minus 2 minus 2 means this one, you avoid this term and this term, write this minor matrix. This is nothing but 2 1 2 and 2 2 1 and 2 2 2. Okay, and so now you find this is 3 cross 3 matrix. So finding determinant for 3 cross 3 matrix it is very simple, and I explained how to find in the last lectures. So similar, you have to find this determinant for this matrix and this matrix and this matrix. So if you find, you finally will get 5 by 5 minus 4 and minus 4. Each individual one, if you solve, you will get like finally this answer. So this is nothing but 5 minus 12 equal to minus 7. Okay, so this is the standard method. So if you solve each one determinant is separately, it will take lot of time. Okay, and in the exam hall, you don't have this much time to solve these like these problems. Okay, for that I am going to give you the one general formula, and it is a trick to solve like these problems. Okay, if given matrix is like this, x a x for 2 cross 2 matrix, or 3 cross 3 if 3 cross 3 matrix means x a a a x a a a x. If they given 4 cross 4 matrix like this, x a a a a x a a and a x, sorry, x a x means what? If like that n cross n matrix we can find. So condition is this diagonal elements should have equal and non-diagonal elements upper and lower, this non-diagonal elements should be equal. So like that, if any problem is coming in the exam, these elements should be equal and these diagonal elements should be equals. So if we have like this in any order, if it is in one order, second order, third order, fourth order or nth order, any order, so you just follow this formula, x minus a whole power n minus 1 into x plus n minus 1 a. Okay, if you follow this formula you can find easily if they given any order 3 cross 3 matrix or 4 cross 4 matrix or n cross n matrix. Okay, for examples, so we find the before problem is that is nothing but like this, the gate problems 1 2 2 2 and 2 1 2 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 2 1. Okay, so this is the problem given in the gate exam. See here is from this we can find the x values. X is nothing but 1 and a is nothing but 2 and n is nothing but this is 4 cross 4 matrix, so 4 cross 4. So just apply in this formula. So 1 minus 2 power n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 into 1 plus 4 minus 1 into 2. Okay, if you apply, you solve it, you will easily get the answer of like this. What is that? Minus 1 into 7. So you are getting minus 7. So before we solved this problem in the standard format, here also we are getting the minus 7, and if we use these tricks to solve like this problem, we are getting the minus 7. Okay, so finding the problems and finding the answer in the exam hall, if you follow the standard method for all the problems, you never get answer in quickly and it will waste your time. So use these tricks to solve like these problems, like this matrix. If it is in second 2 order or 3 order, 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4 or 5 cross 5 or n cross n, any number. Okay, if they given any order they given, if you use this trick you can easily get the answer within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, thank you.